Hello, Sir Bong.
Hello.
Kamusta po kayo today?
Still cold. Anyway, I'm sure lahat kayo tatanong pa rin kumusta na si Kiara. It's okay. Still okay. So, wala. Don't worry ako.
Sir Bong, we heard na nagkasakit to kayo dahil sa weather, sir. How are you feeling about this weather, sir?
Malalaman ko yan siguro pag nakauwi na ako sa Davao. Doon ko kuha ng aftermath. Anong nangyayari talaga sa aftermath. Yan. Kasinat, upos, sipon. Wala, hindi lang talaga ako adjusted sa weather.
Yes. Sir Bong, tanong lang po, is it possible for us to know sino yung next family member na mag-visit?
I really don't know kasi wala namang sinabi. But definitely merong papalit. I just don't know who. So we just have to wait for that. So my last visit will be Monday. So sa Tuesday, baka meron na. I just don't know kung sino.
Sir, alam naman po namin na hindi kami allowed mag-ask about PRRD. Is it possible, sir, to ask ano yung mensahe mo para sa mga sumusuporta kay PRRD?
Sa usapan lang namin, in my opinion, they expect nothing but he is prepared for it.
May question po kayo.
Last question na. But how do you feel about the situation, sir?
Dito?
Yeah, dito at saka sa nangyayari sa atin sa Pilipinas. Sorry if
Well,
I miss I asked.
Well, dito, I have to face the reality na ganun na. It's still in detention. I cannot, as much as I'd like to do something about it, but I will leave it to the defense lawyers. I cannot say. As for the Philippines, when I go back, I will fight.
Thank you, sir. Mabuhay po kayo.
God bless you.